everyone! Welcome sa ating bagong talakayan. Ngayong araw ay magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong topic at ang makakasama natin ay ang inyong Kuya Clint, Ate Jane at Kuya JB. Pero bago ang lahat, dapat energetic tayo bago natin simulan ng ating bagong topic. Gusto niyo yun? Okay! Alam niyo ba ang action song na Dancing with Shape? Wow! Kung ganon, sasabayan natin ang sayaw na Dancing with Shapes. Kaya, simulan na natin!
Roll around, circle! Sir, 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 circle! Roll, roll, round and round and round. Sir, 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 circle! Roll, roll, round and round.
Stool, stool, square! S-s-s-s-s-square, stomp, stomp, here and there. S-s-s-s-s-square, stomp, here and there.
Slide, slide, triangle. Triangle. Slide, slide, left and right. Triangle. Slide, left and right.
Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat? Okay, mabuti naman kung ganon. At ngayon, may gagawin tayong activity. Bago natin simulan, kailangan nyo munang sundan ang mga steps para magawa yung activity natin. Naintindihan ba? Okay, in order for you to participate in our activity, you have to follow the steps. First step, open the link and search the application in Google Play Store at hanapin ang application na Colors and Shapes and install it. Second is after installing, open the application and choose shape icon para makita mo yung mga shapes na pwede mong pagpipilian. Third step is choose one shape and draw it in the bond paper and divide the shape using lines that will show equal to both sides at obserbahan kung ano ang magiging outcome ng inyong ginawa. Nakuha ba ninyo ang sinabi ni Kuya Clint? Okay, very good. Maaari nyo nang simulan and I will give you 5 minutes para gawin ang inyong activity.
Natapos niyo na ba ang ipinagawa ni Kuya Clint? Kung ganon, magaling. Ano ang ipinagawa ni Kuya Clint at ano ang inyong naobserbahan? Okay, magaling. Pinapili kayo ng mga shapes sa ating application at sinubukang hatiin ito sa magkaparehas na sides gamit ang mga lines. Okay, very good. Ngayon naman ay may mga katanungan ako. Unang tanong, look at the picture of the rectangle and a triangle. Which one can be folded into two matching parts? And explain why. Parehas silang mapo-fold into matching parts. Kasi nga, ipo-fold mo lang naman sila sa dalawa. Kaya, magiging equal sila both sides. Examine the shapes of a star and a heart. How are their shapes similar? And how are they different? If you imagine folding them into a half. A star can be folded in a half in a few different ways to make matching halves. A heart, however, is more difficult. If you fold a heart in a half down the middle, the two parts won't be exactly the same. Stars have symmetrical points, while hearts have more curved and uneven shapes. And the last question is, if you were to draw a line through the middle of these shapes, a hexagon and an oval, which do you think will have two identical halves? And why do you think that is? A hexagon can be folded into half to make two identical halves, just like a rectangle. An oval can also folded into half to make two identical halves. If you fold it along its longest part, both shapes have kind of symmetry, meaning they can be divided into equal parts. The hexagon has 6 equal sides, and the oval has a balanced curve. Sa inyong palagay, ano kaya ang magiging topiko natin ngayong araw? Okay, magaling. Ang magiging topic natin ngayong araw ay symmetry. Ngayon naman ay aalamin natin kung ano ang symmetry. Bago yan, babasahin muna natin ang ating objectives. So, the first objective is recognize the different lines of symmetry. Next is create symmetrical shapes through folding a paper. And the last, relate symmetry in nature and art through essay writing.
Our topic for today is symmetry. Symmetry defines one shape is exactly like the other shape when it moved, rotated, or flipped. Symmetry has line symmetry, the one-line symmetry, two-line symmetry, three-line symmetry, and four-line symmetry. One-line symmetry, figure is symmetrical only about one axis. Our example here is letter A and the palace. Two-line symmetry, figure is symmetrical with only about two lines. Our example here is letter H and X. Three-line symmetry is an equilateral triangle. So our example here is triangle. And the last one is the four-line symmetry. Four-line symmetry can be seen in a square that has all the sides equal. Infinite lines. Some shape have not one or two, but infinite lines passing through the center, and the figure is still symmetrical. So our example here is circle. Asymmetry, not identical on both sides of a center line, unsymmetrical, lacking symmetry. Most faces are asymmetric. So our example here is a tree.
Today class ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng panibagong activity. Ang gagawin nyo lamang ay magpo-fold ng paper. Pumili kayo ng mga shapes and figures na inyong gusto. Halimbawa, circle, square, rectangle, or yung mga butterfly, flowers, at saka house or trees na pwede ninyong ma-fold into symmetrical shapes. Pero bago yan, tuturuan ko muna kayo kung paano ito gawin.
For your another activity, just follow the AC steps. Step 1. Open this link and sign in. And after signing in, choose the Symmetry Quiz 1. And then, in your Google Classroom, you will see in these 3 questions that you are going to answer. And here is the rubrics for your activity. And class, for your follow-up tasks, do this and make sure that you read the instruction carefully.